From Gorakhdham to Coromandel and now Kanchenjunga Express, the train accidents have become common in this country, and these all poses a serious question on railway ministry, railway minister or entire railway system of this country, that why train accidents have become common in this country. Hello and welcome to the In News series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about Kanchenjunga train accident, and we are going to explain this session, and this session is important for your GS2 perspective, also for your GS3 perspective. So moving towards the news. So first of all we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss an idea or overview of the Indian Railway, that how big it is, and then we are going to discuss that is train accident common or not. Then we are going to discuss the different reasons for the train accidents. After that we are going to discuss the Kavach and also practice question for prelims. Before that you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So a very grim picture could be seen that Kanchenjunga Express had been hit by the goods train, and this is a very dramatic and what you can say very sad situation of Indian railway system, that almost in a year we can hear so many train accidents. And what is happening? So many innocent lives are sacrificed in this country because they are traveling to a train. What's their fault? Because they choose train to travel from one place to another place. And in this accident also what we have seen that almost more than 10 people died and almost 50 injured into this kind of train accident. And this is not one thing. We have seen that last year Coromandel Express in Balasore district of Odisha, almost 300 people died. And this shows that how as a nation we have failed to protect the citizens of this country which are traveling from the trains. And this poses a very serious question on entire system, that what Kavach is doing. Is Kavach present there or not? And why these kind of accidents have become common? We already had reduced so many train accidents from earlier one, but why it is rising again and again? So moving towards the next slide. Next slide is about railway overview. So you already know that railway is a product of colonial era, and Lord Dalhousie has established or introduced railway system in this country, and in 1853 it got introduced, and we can see that from Bombay to Thane there was a railway system. Now we'll come to that how it is expanded. So when we'll talk about the railway expansion, so it has expansion from Himalayas in the north to the beaches in the south, and it has a very broad perspective and broad arena it has covered. Now we come to the question that how many kilometers. So if we'll talk about, so it has over 64,000 kilometers of the tracks. We are here discussing about the tracks. Then 14,000 passenger trains we have and 8,000 stations we have. So this shows that how expanded railway system we have in this country. Now we come to the next slide. Next slide is about how common are they. It means that how common rail accidents we have in this country. So when we'll compare this particular data from the previous one, so if we'll take data from 1960s and 1970s, so at that era what we have seen that almost 14,000 train accident we can witness. But eventually it got reduced, and in 2015 to 16 what we have seen that only 449 train accidents are there. And even this 449 is a huge number, but it has been reduced from the 14,000 to 449. So in past 50 years we had reduced to this number, which we have become very successful in this thing. But what happened that since 2017 the train accident has become a major issue, and it rose day by day, and in every year we can see a major accident by train, and the number rose around 2001 accidents from 2017 to 2021. So this is a thing. And a 2022 report says that which report, so this report has been published by National Crime Record Bureau. So according to NCRB data, it shows that there were more than 1 lakh train related deaths from 2017 to 21. So in 4 to 5 years, 1 lakh deaths because of the train accident. This is a very worrisome situation and very disturbing pictures NCRB has presented. If we'll talk about that, what are the major reasons for the rail accidents and train accidents? So derailments accounted almost 69% of the accidents, resulting into 293 deaths. So this is the how common are they. So earlier it was very much common, but we had reduced, but what we have seen that in past couple of years it rose again. So this is the situation. Now we come to the question on regions, that what are the possible regions, then why we have to face these kind of accidents. When we talk about the Kanchenjunga Express, the reasons are derailment, and you can also see the human error and signal error, and so many experts are still finding out that what are the reasons for Kanchenjunga Express and things like that. Why signaling procedures are not implemented successfully, why we have such kind of miscommunication. So when we'll discuss about the common reasons, so it is outdated equipments, human error and derailments have become the biggest reason for the rail accident in this country. Now we come to the another one, which is about the Kavach anti-collision system. So when this kind of incident happened, and last year also when Balasore incident happened, so many people are asking about the Kavach system, because this Kavach system got introduced in 2016 and now it is 2014. So people are asking that why this thing has been not implemented to the India and all to the entire system of the railway track system. Though it has been implemented in some parts of the country, but whatever the accident site is there, West Bengal, or last year we have Odisha, the Kavach system was not available on those tracking system. So because of that, we can see that. So first of all, we'll know about that what is the Kavach. So Kavach is a automatic train collision protection system which it will make train travel safe. And who had developed this Kavach system? So it has been developed by Research, Design and Standard Organization, in short RDSO, along with the private players. And what its main function or main job? So whenever a driver fails to handle the situation in any kind of accidental situation, in that situation Kavach will automatically activate and they will automatically handle the brakes of the train. So this is the Kavach system we have. But sadly, this system was not available to the West Bengal area in which accident had happened. Last year also Odisha. Such kind of system are not available throughout the country, throughout the railway system, and because of that we can see the railway accident. Also the signaling problem is there, derailment problem is there, human error. And what we have found the reasons about the so many rail accidents. So what we have found that because of the human error, because of the error by railway staff, such kind of accident happens. And also when you'll go to that, so many people pass the railway tracks without following the rules. So that is also one of the reasons. The road users are also responsible for the train accident. But majority of the reasons are because of the failure of the railway system, because of the overburden of the railway staff. And when we'll see about the vacancy, so what recent RTI has shows that there were so many vacancies which are left and which are not advertised, which are not there is no examination for all those railway drivers. And so if we'll talk about any railway people or railway staff, they'll say that they are overburdened and sometimes they feel laziness, sometimes they are not much active at their working hours. So because of the overburden kind of thing, because of the lack of staff, because of all these possible reasons, we can see that the railway system is not functioning effectively. And because of that, we can see that major train accidents are happening. And also we have this outdated equipments, we don't have proper signaling system, and also the major reason is the absence of Kavach throughout the tracking system of this country. Now we come to the question round. The question is related to the Kavach, because last year this particular topic Kavach is in very much news, and when it has been asked from the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw that why Kavach has been not implemented to those areas, then the response of Ashwini Vaishnav has that this is a very automatic kind of system, and it requires lot of fund and lot of what you can say tracking system, checking system, approval system, and because of that the Kavach could not be implemented till now to the entire area. But very soon they will implement such kind of the system to all over the India, so that we can avoid train accident. But before that, we have to also look for the possible other reasons, that what the possible other reasons we have regarding this, and if there is a problem by human error, by overburdening of the staffs, railway staffs are not working effectively, the railway minister and the railway system must see all these loopholes which are responsible for the major train accident. Now we will come to the question round. The first statement is, it is an automatic train collision protection system. It is developed by Research, Design and Standard Organization. Here they are asking the correct answer. So your options are 1 only, 2 only, both
For
1
more
and 2, neither 1 nor
content,
2.
like,
So
share
you
and
have to
subscribe,
answer this into
and
the
do
comment
not forget
section.
to press
I
the
hope
bell
you like
icon
this
to get
session.
the
If you have
notifications.
any